When solving an equation, we need to combine like terms before we perform inverse operations. That means that I'm not going to, for example, right away subtract 1 from both sides of this equation. First, I need to simplify the left-hand side of my equation. 9n plus 1 minus n plus 3 has two sets of like terms. The first set of like terms is 9n and plus negative n, or minus n. So let's go ahead and combine those like terms. 9n minus n, 9n minus 1n is just 8n. My second set of like terms is the plus 1 and the plus 3. And so combining those like terms, 1 plus 3 is just 4. I now have a two-step equation. I've simplified the left-hand side, and that just equals 52. When I'm solving this equation, the first operation that I need to undo is the plus 4. Therefore, my first inverse operation is subtracting 4 from both sides of my equation. 8n plus 4 minus 4 just leaves me with 8n. 52 minus 4 is 48. The second operation that I need to undo is the times 8. So my inverse operation is to divide both sides of my equation by 8. 8n divided by 8 leaves me with n. I've isolated my variable, and my solution is just 48 divided by 8, which is 6. That is my solution to this equation. In your digital notes, you will be typing that solution strategy, each of those steps. What you will do is you will click inside the text box, and you'll just go ahead and type your first step. So your first step of combining like terms. 9n minus n is 8n. Plus 1 plus 3 is plus 4. And then equals 52. In the second text box, you will type your second step. So your second step is to subtract 4 from both sides of your equation. You will type just the dash that's next to the 0 for subtraction. And then I would not suggest that you press a space. If you press the space bar, your computer will think that you want that dash to be a bullet. So no spaces, just type dash for subtraction 4. A couple of spaces, another subtraction by 4. Next, you'll type in your next step. And then when you're needing the inverse operation of division, or if we needed multiplication, we have this text box for you to copy the division and just paste it right into your text box for that inverse operation. And you will just use spaces to line it up as you would like.